Alright, so we're back at this big house. Last time we cleaned the inside of it, so today we're going to be out here cleaning the outside. We're going to have the 30-foot water fed pole out today. That way we don't have to get off the ground. Looking forward to getting everything going. Got some pretty cool ideas in mind for some shots today. We're going to get after it. I got somebody coming to help me. So looking forward to it, and we'll take you along with us. Alright, we got the Xero Pure today with our Tucker brush. Got some extra hose that we'll need for the length of the building. We use a 30-foot basic pro, and we shouldn't need much more than that, but there are a couple spots on the building that are a little bit higher, so we might slip on the extension. Let's put it all together and get to work. Got the 3-foot building, or sorry, excuse me, 3-story building. Normally that 30 would work, but we've got this retention pond that we have to stand down in, and so that really has us needing that extra extension. So we're using the 40-foot and getting it knocked out. Got it done. Took about 4 hours, but it's finished. Man, it looks good when it's done. See y'all next time.